Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. So alhamdulillah, we finished some huruf al-atf, which are wa, wa, fa, thumma, aw, and then imma. So wow means and, fa means then, thumma means then, aw means or, and imma also means or. And imma is used for what? How is imma used differently? It is repeated twice. It comes what? Before the ma'tuf alayh and also before the ma'tuf. And the other huruf al-atf come where? Only before the ma'tuf. Yes? Now here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 more. These are used similarly, but they are very similar. So we discuss all of these together. Okay? We discuss each one individually and then we see how it works. Okay? That's a long expansion. That's a long. Basically, let's look at it here. That's in the text. Ja'a Zaydun. Is Ja'a muthbat or manfi? Is it affirmative or negative? Affirmative. Ja'a Zaydun. So Ja'a Zaydun means what? Ja'a is fa'il. Zaydun is the fa'il. He is coming. What if we have a ma'tuf alayh and a ma'tuf? We want to make one half positive and one half negative. Zayd came, not Khalid. What do we add in? La. So la is also a harful atf. But how is it different to wow? Is that what? It switches. So for example here, I'm going to use green. What's green? Green light means go, positive, isn't it? So this is a positive sentence. Then what happens now? So until here is positive, from here it becomes what? Negative. So la, what does la do? It switches the green light, red light. Do you understand? So Ja'a Zaydun la Khalidun. So what's the tarkib of this? Same thing. Ja'a is fa'il. Zaydun is, this whole thing is a fa'il. Zaydun is ma'tuf alayh. And then the harf al-atf is la. Okay? Now what's the difference? That in here, half is negative and half is positive. Before la, when you have la, this is positive, or you call it affirmative. Affirmative. R is not clear. And then here, this is what? In red, this is going to be what? Negative. Make sense? How do you translate this? Zayd came, not Khalid. Zayd came, not Khalid. Do you understand? Let's try a few of them. Bismillah.
كان خالد فقيرا لا غنيا.
So kana, what's kana going to be tarkib? فعل ناقص. Okay. Khalidun. اسم كان. And the rest becomes? خبر كان. But then now, فقيرا is what? معطوف عليه. And لا is? حرف عطف. And غنيا is? معطوف. But Masam, I thought la was a harf nafyin. No? So I say, Masam, I thought la was a harf nafyin. The particle can come in different ways. You can have it as a harf al-atf. You can have it as a harf al-nafyi. You can even have it in different ways we come later on. Ma can be harf al-atf. Ma can be, ma can not harf. Ma can be harf al-nafyin and many other things. Okay? So don't say that, Masam, it's not harf al-atf. I thought it was harf al-nafyin. Okay? So you get it? It can come in different ways. You follow me? We're going to ask a question? That's not a good question. Okay, so it can come in many different ways. It can come, if it comes before fa'al mudari, what is it? Harfu nafin, la yaf'alu, la yasumu. If it comes before the ma'tuf alayhi and ma'tuf, what is it going to be? Harfu atf. Does everybody understand? What's the translation of this?
Khalid was poor, not rich.
Khalid was poor, not rich. Correct? Next one. Your turn.
إن الأمة رحيمة لا ظالمة.
إن الأمة رحيمة لا ظالمة. So, إن حرف مشبه بالفعل. الأمة اسم إن رحيمة لا ظالمة. خبر إن. خبر إن is made up of what? معطوف عليه and معطوف. And the حرف العطف is what? لا. Translation will be? Indeed the mother is merciful, not oppressive. Okay? شربت فاطمة الماء للبن. Let's translate. The tarkib is easy. We know this is going to be what? معطوف عليه and معطوف. And this is the مفعول به. The translation is going to be? Fatima drank the water, not the milk. So ma'tuf alayhi and ma'tuf, but one is positive. This is positive, and this is what? Negative. You understand? And the last one, قرأ الشيخ سورة لا سورتين. Translation will be, what's surah and la surah becoming? This becomes the maf'ulun bihi. And this is ma'tuf alayhi, harfu atf and ma'tuf. And translation is the old man or the sheikh, depending on who it is. The sheikh read one surah, not two. Correct? You following? Does that make sense? Yes? Let's look at wala. Ma ja'a zaydun. Affirmative or negative? Negative. And if you've got wala, that also becomes what? Negative. So now this is what now? Both of them are negative. You following? So in ja'a, if you go to the previous one, was what? Ja'a zaydun la khalidun. What does that mean? Like this one. Transition of this one. Zayd came, not Khalid. Ma ja'a zaydun wala khalidun. Yeah, neither Zayd came nor Khalid came. It's both negative. So if it's a negative sentence and both are negative, what do you put? Wala. Wala. Positive, to make the ma'tuf negative, you put la. Negative sentence and ma'tuf alayhi and ma'tuf both are negative, what do you put? Wala. So for example here, let's do tarkib of this one. Your turn. ولا الولد. So حرف نفي بقى is فعل الرجل. Yes, all of this, all of it becomes what? The fa'il. And then rajulu becomes ma'tuf alayh. And walad becomes, wala becomes harfu atf. And al-walad becomes ma'tuf. You got it? Translation will be, the method of translation, the tarkib is quite easy. Translation is going to be but neither. Neither the man, is it neither the man cried or neither the man or the child cried? I don't know, I'm not good at English. So neither the man cried nor, neither the man cried nor the child. Next one, how to translate this? Read it.
ليست التمرة باردا ولا حارا.
ليست التمرة باردا ولا حارا. Translation is going to be?
The date was not cold.
Was neither.
The date was neither cold nor hot.
Yeah, so why? This is the khabar of laysa. And this is negative, ma'tuf alayh, harfu'at and ma'tuf. Because negative sentence, so you bring wala. So the water, the date was neither cold nor was it hot. It was normal, room temperature. Alright? You understand? What does wala do? It creates what meaning?
Neither.
Negative in both aspects. Ma'tuf alayh and ma'tuf both are what? Negative. Okay? Try this one. G.
ما كان الإناء مملوءا لبنا ولا ماء.
Yeah, so ما كان, ما is حرف نفي.
كان فعل ناقص.
فعل ناقص.
إناء اسم إن. اسم كان.
الإناء is اسم إن.
اسم كان.
اسم كان. مملوءا. خبر كان. And this becomes what? Tamyiz. And tamyiz is made up of what? معطوف عليه. حرف عطف. معطوف. And translation? The container was neither filled. Was neither filled with
milk
nor
water.
Yeah, it was not filled with milk nor water. Correct? You following me? Is everybody understand? Okay. This one. ما سافرت فاطمة يوما ولا ليلة. Translation? Just translate it. Because we know this is the maf'ulun fi. So maf'ulun fi, and the maf'ulun fi is ma'tuf alayhi and ma'tuf. And the translation is going to be? Fatima did not travel in the day nor in the night. Okay? You following? So far we had positive sentence. And if you want to make the ma'tuf negative, what do you add? La. A negative sentence, ma'tuf alayh is negative, and ma'tuf is also negative. You add wala. So wala makes an la, meaning both are negative. An negative, wala. Remember that code, an negative. So both are negative. If you have la on its own, what happens then? If you have la on its own, what happens? Then it means nor. The first is positive and the next one is negative. Everybody understand this? We'll continue from here inshallah in the next lesson inshallah. Okay? Yes? Subhanallah bihamdi subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika wa nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk.